Hi guys! So it's starting to get cold and windy outside, and to me that screams soup. So today we're going to make some lasagna soup. So to start off this recipe, we're going to brown some ground beef. You want to get it nice and brown. You can also use Italian sausage if you want, but I prefer the ground beef. You're going to brown it, you're going to drain it, and then we're going to go ahead and add in some onions. Now once those start to get nice and soft, we're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic. I've actually posted this recipe before. It was an easier version, but I guess it accidentally got deleted. So I'm just going to bring it to you guys again, even better. So to season my meat, I'm going to add in a little bit of red pepper flakes, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, So now that I got my meat seasoned, I'm going to go ahead and add in a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. And you really want to work that into this meat. So now we're going to go ahead and add in a couple of cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our broth. You can use vegetable broth or chicken broth, it's up to you. So next we're going to start adding our seasonings again. You guys know I always season my meat by itself, but it's basically the same seasonings. Oregano, a couple of bay leaves, salt, pepper. I'll leave all the seasonings in the description box, you guys. So now that we got everything in our pot, we're going to go ahead and let this simmer for a few minutes. And now it's time to add the pasta. This is the pasta I'm using because it actually looks like little lasagna noodles. You can just buy lasagna noodles and actually break it up. The previous recipe that I posted was a little bit easier. It was with jar spaghetti sauce and lasagna noodles that you just break up. I'll leave a link to that recipe in the description box also because it was a little easier, but this one is so delicious, guys, so you gotta try this one. So here I'm just gonna make a little ricotta topping for our lasagna soup. I'm going to take some ricotta cheese, some grated Parmesan cheese, a little bit of salt and pepper. It's fall and I'm so excited. I'm going to start bringing you guys some soup recipes and just cozy recipes to warm your bones. It's so good, guys. Yum.